Hi, today we're with me OPPO Find X2 Neo and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So first let's open the phone application and then tap on the right upper corner to this three dots or more icon. After that, click here to the settings and then tap to block and filter. Then click to blacklist, and now we can see that we have here two numbers in our blacklist. If you want to remove one from this number, you should just hold it for a while and just to select it. If you want to, we can select all of the numbers and in one click remove all of them from here. So after that, just tap here to remove icon and confirm your action by click here to remove from blacklist button. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.